velocity of the bug is 9 meters per second north, 40 degrees east. The velocity of the wind is 2 meters per second. It's from south 30 degrees west, which means it's to north 30 degrees east. So we're going to put both of these on our diagram. So north 40 degrees east is my bug, velocity of the bug, and then my wind is north 30 degrees east. Oops. So that's going to go here, velocity of the wind. And really we're looking for the sum of those two vectors. So this is a really small diagram. Which I will enlarge in a moment. And then we know that the resultant is going to be the diagonal of this. Let's see if I can get one in here. It's not letting me draw another vector. Just going to draw it over here and bring it over. So it's the diagonal. So let's enlarge that a little bit. I'm going to fake this diagram a little bit here. So the angle here is 10 degrees because it was 40 degrees from north for the first vector and 30 degrees from north. So the angle between is 10 degrees. So now I can draw my resultant, which is going to be the velocity from the ground of the poor bug. So this is 9. Oops. That's not right. That's 2. This is 2. This is 9. And this angle over here is 180 minus 10, which is 170 degrees. So the ground velocity of the bug is going to be equal to, we're going to use the cosine law, so the square root of 2 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 9 times the cosine of the angle between them, which is 170. And I'll have to type that in my calculator. I probably should have had that ready in advance. 2 times 2 times 9 times cosine of 170. And that's 10.975. So that's about 11 meters per second. And then the direction, we need to get, whichever angle we get, we just need to work with this angle in here. So that's 30 degrees, so I can get that angle there. So to get the angle, I'm going to do sine of alpha over 9 is equal to sine of 170 over 11. So alpha is going to be 9 sine 170 over, and I'll probably use the 10.975. Oops, sine inverse of that. So get out my trusty calculator, sine inverse of 9 sine 170 divided by 10.975. And that's 8 degrees. And so the velocity from the ground, that's 8 degrees from the north. That's going to be 30 degrees plus 8 degrees. The wind angle as well. So it's 11 meters per second, north, 38 east.